Parliament session. We're putting these out on our screens now. One key point that Prime Minister said that India is of course emerging as the fastest growing major economy in the world. He's also said that India maintained a growth rate of 7.7% despite the ongoing West Asia crisis. This is a big feat, in fact. Now the country's youth are boarding the reform express is also what he said, talking about the various reforms that have been done for the benefit of the youth of India. He also spoke about the third semiconductor plant that was dedicated to the people in Rajasthan. And then the Prime Minister also touched down on a hydrogen train that we saw kick-starting from Haryana, with the most powerful engine, he said, was dedicated to the nation. It's a big feat, taking India in one of the list of elite nations as far as hydrogen power trains are concerned. He also said a team with the average age of 28 launched the Vikram-1 satellite, making a big win, referring to Skyroot's mission Agaman. Remember, viewers, he'd spoken to the Skyroot team after the successful lift off of its Vikram-1 rocket powered by Raman engine. And now he's reiterated that success that India has seen and the transformation in its space journey. All of these issues Prime Minister has addressed. Ms. Shankar, I want to come to you. A growth rate of 7.7% at a time when the world is seeing global supply chain disruption, a rise in fuel prices. How do you put this in perspective?
Well, this is a very highly commendable number for the country. And actually, the other countries, almost everybody is impacted by the Iran-US war. But then India is also impacted, but not to that extent. So the growth rate remains 7.6. That is very, we have to maintain it at least, if not increase it. So that is what the economists must be doing it. And our, economic reforms and programs, all that, they are going in the right direction. As the Prime Minister said, the Reform Express is continuing. So that is a major achievement of this government, and the important part of this is that that should be no. If you have any of these agitations and the demonstrations and things like that, the growth rate also will be affected, because the production will decrease. So they must make sure that things are going. That is why he mentioned that there should be. He appealed to the opposition also to join the whole growth progress. I think that is what is the main thrust of his speech.
Yes.
And the speech is almost like an election speech. And of course, yes, it is meant for them only.
All right, stay on with me. Let's take some further breaking updates coming in. Now, Congress